All right, ladies and gentlemen, wake up. Good morning. This is Team Photographer Speed Fresh, the RC Celebrity. We got the swap meet, Scobee Field, 2023 Airplane Show. What's up, Marvin? What's up, Marvin? Good to see you, man. We got the Fly Wild Boys exclusives. It's Kevin Peavy. What's up, Kevin?
What's going on?
Congratulations, Kevin.
Thank you, sir.
You finally got a turbine waiver.
I do. I have the turbine waiver. I am official.
Yep. That means time to sell everything. time to sell all the nitro planes.
All the nitro planes.
Yep.
We only have one. It's right there.
There you go. I got three of them for sale right now, Kevin.
Yeah.
I got a Delta 40 for sale, Weston Magnum R for sale, and a Lanier Shrike 40 for sale, brand new in the box.
Okay.
Yeah, brand new in the box. So I'm not doing nitro planes anymore. I'm done. I'm doing gas. I'm doing gas and turbines and electric now. This is it. Hello, Glenn.
Hey.
Long time to see, buddy. It's good to see you, right? You doing all right?
Yeah.
How's business at work?
Good.
Good. Oh, it's
Jet
good.
flying?
Oh, I was going to. One of the hinges broke on the stabilizer. I was this close to maintenance.
And Kevin be,
Yeah, I got to get a turbine rated first. I saw it. He got a turbine rated. I was happy for him. I'm gonna get my next. I got to get a turbine rated first.
Okay. All right.
Woody.
How you doing?
Man, I was about to bring my jet out at your house.
If
Man,
I
I
was
didn't know
gonna
you out of
sell it,
town.
Yeah.
It's all good though.
Yeah.
It's still at the house in my room chilling.
Okay, good.
I mean, they sell for like
I think they're like $2.99, $2 something.
All right, everybody, let's walk around. Let's walk around. See all the planes for sale. V900. I remember that plane. The old E-Flight V900. Man, let me tell you something about this V900. That V900, it was the fastest plane that ever flown. You know how fast I ran on the V900? 170.
Wow. Awesome.
That was the fastest V900 I ever flown with a 2200 4S 100 seated charge. Ooh, I overpowered it. But well, I don't have that anymore. You know what happened to the V900? It evolved into V1200 on me. It did.
It grew up.
It did. I had a big dream 3 years ago, and then when I had my V900 in my brand new truck, and then I saw the huge bright light change. Yeah.
Nice.
I been to open it and check it. The V900 was gone.
Wow.
And I saw something flying past on high speed. I heard it was coming toward me, and I saw the blue plane was going 140 miles per hour coming toward me, and it was a V1200.
Yeah.
It evolved into V1200 on me, and I tried to get my 18MZ WC. She evolved into 32MZ, and then I woke up. And that was it. Yeah, I had two of them though. I'm gonna restore. I still have my V1200. I'm gonna restore it.
Put some good retracts on it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Retract it. My retract's still good. The struts is bent though. I'm gonna replace that. P47 for sale. Oh, there go the guys. Look at my play. Here it is, y'all.
There he is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here it is, y'all.
Okay, he's asking for prices, I think.
Oh, this one, the green one, the Delta 40. I'm starting with $400. I'll give you a good deal. If you want to do 300, I'll give you
I
300.
couldn't keep up with it anymore.
Yeah.
There was a time, but not in that. That's just pure speed.
Yeah, that one's faster.
Yeah, oh,
yeah,
God, yeah.
that one's faster. It's got a Res L Tech 52 V1. I flew the crap out of it.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I put about 30 flights. 30
Really?
flights. Yeah.
Nice shape.
Yeah, it's fast, man. It go about 190 to 200
That's what I was thinking.
miles per hour.
200. And I do about 50.
Yeah, it's pretty fast. I've flown the crap out of it. Now I don't need it no more. I'm selling it because I got a jet.
Well, there it is. You
Turbine jet. Turbine jets are way faster, and they give you more respect.
And it makes a bigger crater.
Yep. Ooh. The TL 2000. Sting. Oh, it's electric. That's a nice looking plane. Nice. Nice.
You want me to put your name on it? I can write it right up there.
I'll take it. Nah, I'm just kidding. I got so many planes in my room. I'm gonna need a bigger house, man. Hey, if I get that, I'm gonna need a bigger house.
Or a bigger car.
A bigger truck. I'm gonna need a bigger truck.
You're gonna need a van there, Steve.
Yeah, what's up, man? Yeah, I'm gonna need a bigger car for a
You're gonna
van.
need a van. Get you a big one.
Yeah, box truck. Yeah, I'm gonna need that.
Cyrus.
Yeah, but the problem is it won't fit in the garage.
No. You need a bigger garage.
Exactly. Ooh, look at that carbon fiber pop. 2210.
You had that thing hiding in there? I didn't even see it.
Looks good. We got E-Flight Twin.
Deuce is wild. That's a Deuce is wild.
Oh, Deuce is wild. Nice. Looking good, looking good. All electric. And it got some power. It got some power. It's fast too. Oh, we got another one. Look at that. It's a good thing I left early, guys. Well, hope somebody buys this Delta 40, Lanier Shrike 40, and Weston magnum R. And that's about it. That's all I need. Subscribe. All right, ladies and gentlemen. I moved my planes on the side because the sun's coming out and it's hot. Everybody just arrived. More people arriving. We got this other plane for sale. Remember this blue plane? Remember this plane? I forgot what it's called though. Remember this one? Ooh. And then there's another V900 for sale. Looks like he's gonna get ready to get a V1200. I'm tired of how we sell that plane. That plane discontinued. Oh, there's a whole new wing for it. That thing. That plane right there flies sweet. That plane right there, it flies good. It flies good. Specialized 12. Top 8FG. New NX20 SC. Oh, we sell it 2023. Oh, that's NX10 SC. New NX10 SC. They got new NX20 SC now. All right, looking good, guys. Looking good. I should have brought my wild with me. Look, Paul Beagle. Paul Beagle. Paul. Paul Beagle. Paul, why you selling that plane?
You know, I actually don't know the answer to that. I just figure I've done the whole thing there. I complete it there.
You broke it.
I guess maybe it doesn't. What
Oh,
I never thought about it that way. Huh.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, but now I've got I got all my sign-offs done, so
Be nice.
just been waiting.
What do you think? You want that?
Yeah,
Okay,
one month waiting for somebody.
29.
good. 20 for you.
Talk to your dentist a lot, I'm sure it
Tell
Yeah,
them.
I know Dennis.
I'll be tough on you. Kids.
All right, guys. New Tundra.
What's going on?
Doing good. Got more people arriving. A lot of people here. Swap meet. There's Shrike. What's up, Shrike?
Andy.
Hey, Daryl.
What's up, Shrike? Still no luck yet, guys. Still no luck. Just keep subscribing to my YouTube channel, guys. You know where to find my YouTube channels. You know where to find me. Just all you have to do, just keep subscribing to my YouTube channels and smash the bell and hit that like button so you won't miss any of my videos. Peace out. Swap Meet 2023 Airplane Show. Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah, throw that in the box.
Look at the DLE 120. I mean DA 120. Look at the DA 120.
It's brand new. It has the conversion for
And DLE 40.
but
DLE 40.
Oh, it's got the ignition conversion?
well, it's not.
No.
No, I can't remember, but this goes to yeah, I can't remember. It's brand new.
Dr. Rodriguez.
Guys, look what we have here. V1200. He's selling it. Oh, man.
It said it runs. That got your name written all over.
There it is. I got me one, too. I have two, and I sold one.
Did you used to have a Jackal?
Yeah, I had a Jackal 50.
Yeah. I've got another one. I got another one. I sold the one I have, but I haven't even flown it yet.
Yeah, they don't make them anymore. They discontinued them.
Yeah,
They discontinued them in 2013.
I got an extra, 2 extra canopies and extra fuselage too.
Oh, nice. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that Jackal 50 was fast, too. This guy put an OS 75 AX on the Jackal 50, 175.
Wow.
175 on the Jackal 50.
Wow.
That is the fastest prop jet I ever flown.
What are you doing? Video for?
What's up, Jose?
What are you doing? Going to MPR News? You're gonna do 13 News?
Yeah, I'm gonna make 13 out of it this news. All right, guys. Looks like that's it for today. Everybody's here. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Smash that bell and hit that like button so you won't miss any of my videos. For the Delta 40. Get us all about Delta 40. Hey. I know what it's called now. Remember this blue plane from Tire Hobbies? Millennium Master EP. Yeah. I remember that red one. They discontinued in 2013. Replaced by the Millennium Master EP, the blue one. The version 2. Yeah, there we go. The old Millennium Master. They discontinued as well. They don't make it no more. And that plane right there, Millennium Master, that's a good flyer. All right, just letting you know. Y'all take care.